Alright, so today we're working on the coordinate plane activity number 6, fall leaves with lettering. The instructions say connect all ordered pairs within a shape using a ruler. Color entirely when complete. Unless otherwise directed, always start at the origin, which is 0, 0. So we know the origin is right here, right? Oh, that's kind of weird. Because that's 0, 0. X on the x coordinate, which is the left coordinate, is always going to move left and right. If it's negative, it'll move to the left. If it's positive, it'll move to the right. And y is always going to move up and down. If it's negative, it'll be down here. If it's positive, it'll be up here. All right, so it says shape number 1, you're going to go to negative 11. The coordinates are negative 11, comma 9. So we're going to go negative 11, move all the way over here. And then, because that's a negative number, now we're going to do the y, which is up and down, right? And since it's a positive number, we're going to go up 9 spots. And then when we get there, we're going to mark that point as our coordinate. So we said negative 11 all the way up to 9. And we're just going to put a dot right there. All right, we're going to do the next one. We're going to have negative 11 and then 16. So we're going to go all the way to the left for negative 11 on the x axis. And then we're going to go up 16 because that's a positive number. So let's go all the way up to 16, which is right here. All right. The next point is negative 6, 16. So I'm going to go negative 6 and then positive 16. It's going to be on the same line, but it's just right here. All right. So that's what your activity is. Afterwards, you are going to connect the dots. All ordered pairs within a shape using a ruler. So get a ruler. You're going to make your lines. Oh. Try that again. Okay. And afterwards, you'll have some sort of image. So that's what we're working on. Make sure you're following directions. It says connect the following A to D as lines, not back to the original point. So just follow the directions. You'll have some pretty cool images. All right. Have fun.